Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. And in this video I will tell you how you can see the first post in Instagram without scrolling. Please subscribe to our channel, be sure to put your likes, write your comments after watching the video. And let us get started. So, if you are in Instagram, let's say you are in a correspondence with a person, and in order to get to the beginning of the conversation, usually everyone just scrolls through the conversation. But if you have a lot of messages between you and the person, it can take a very long time, and in general, constantly flipping with your finger, it is actually very inconvenient. What can be done in such a case? If you go into a note with a person, you will need to click here at the top pause, where it shows the time. So you do. And as you can see, you're instantly taken to the beginning of the correspondence. With this person, let's say I don't have a lot of messages. But if you take a conversation where there's a lot of messages, you click on this button and all the time, as you can see, the message will be loaded. So you're just scrolling much faster than you would, for example, with your finger. And as you can see, pretty quickly we got to the beginning of the correspondence. So this is the very simple way that you can see the very beginning of your Instagram posts without scrolling. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon, friends.